Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I center text in this Google Docs table. At first, I have to select this all text to drag on my mouse. Then you can see here are alignment option. Now click center alignment. Now go to format menu and click table option. Now choose table properties. Now click cell drop down menu and choose middle. Now close this windows. Now click outside of this table. Now you can see I center text in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for